So I hope that you are starting to get an idea why self-awareness is so important. In this section, we are going to show you a few exercises that will help you to bring your awareness into everyday life. I have already provided you with a few simple questions such as, what am I doing? How do I feel? These are the basic questions which are actually bringing out our self-awareness. Because, as it was already mentioned, in order to understand ourselves and our results, it is first important to understand our thoughts, feelings, and behavior. Okay, so this was a little bit of theory. Now let's try a little exercise you can try to do in your daily life when you have the time and also while trading. Because with practice, you can build your skill of self-awareness. At the beginning, it can be difficult, especially if it is a new thing for you. However, with time, it gets easier and you can really benefit from it. Now, please, begin to focus on my instructions and questions. Are you fully focused? Look around you. Where are you? What is your environment? What are you doing here? Now, I want you to concentrate exclusively on yourself. Inhale, exhale. Think about your body. How does it feel? Do you feel comfortable or is there anything unpleasant? What about your back? Does your neck hurt? Now concentrate on your breath. How are you breathing? Can you breathe freely or do you feel any tension in your chest? What about your legs and your hands? Do you feel relaxed? Perhaps you are wondering why we started to talk about the body. It's because our body is a valuable source of information. Sometimes you can even recognize just by observing your own body that you are experiencing feelings like being nervous, anxious, or other emotions. So let's move on to your emotional state now. How do you feel? How is your day today? Has something happened which has affected your mood? How would you describe your current mental state? Is it focused, tired, distracted, or maybe excited? Are you aware that you are feeling any type of emotion like sadness, joy, anger, frustration, or maybe even fear? If so, try to catch this feeling and think about it. Where it might be coming from. What are the reasons behind these emotions? Our mental state also consists of thoughts. What are you thinking about right now? Maybe you have some ideas about this course. Perhaps you are thinking about what you're gonna have for dinner. If I find out that I'm thinking about something other than what I'm doing, it's a sign that I'm not fully focused on the activity I'm doing. And if I'm not fully focused, I can deliver my peak performance. In trading, but also in everyday life.